Hey, it's Bruce Woodburn, the Loan Arranger, and it's time for the 3 big things you need to know. Now, look it is Halloween, so things could get a little scary, but I don't want you to get spooked. First big thing you need to know, the Fed dropped the Fed rate 1/4 point on Wednesday. So what happened to interest rates? Why did interest rates bump up a little bit when the Fed made a 1/4 point cut? Well, I'm going to tell you why. First of all, mortgages are not tied to the Fed rate. They're tied to the bond market. And what happened is when Powell announced that they may not be dropping rates again in December, the market had already built in for a 1/4 point cut because there was a 94% chance they were going to make that cut. And then he reversed that. So all that the market had built into it went away. However, today things are recouping a little bit. Second big thing you need to know, pigs get fat and hogs get slaughtered. Now, if you've got a rate currently 7% or more, you should honestly look at refinancing. But for some of you, it may not be worthwhile. I had a client with a conventional loan in a 7% range, and it wasn't making as much sense for them to refinance now. So we're going to go ahead and push them off to January or February and see if it improves a little bit. But there's no guarantee that's going to happen. With this recent Fed announcement, we could find that interest rates may not drop the way that we thought they were. So don't get greedy. Let's look at the numbers and see if they make sense. If they make sense for you, let's do it. We can always refinance again if it drops more, but saving money every month can make a huge difference in your overall expenses and the interest that you pay on a mortgage. Third big thing you need to know, Hometown Heroes has still got $25 million. People aren't using it. If you're a hero out there, teacher, law enforcement, firefighter, military, nurse, any of those occupations, there's money available up to $35,000 for down payment assistance. So you can't wait. This money will go. But there's a lot of people sitting on the sidelines waiting for the market to change. Right now, I'm getting sellers to pay closing costs, make repairs on the house, do buy downs. You combine some of that with Hometown Heroes and you could win all the way around. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Interest rates are very attractive right now, particularly for FHA and VA. My name's Bruce Woodburn. I'm the Loan Arranger. And those are the 3 big things you need to know.